Hello everyone, it's Lillian here from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Hit the subscribe button below to join the family. Today I have a refreshing shake recipe for you. Let's get right into it. For this you'll be needing a scoop of whey protein. This comes in different flavors. Mine is in vanilla and raspberry flavor. A cup of water or milk, 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter, a finger of banana, and a blender. Put all these ingredients into the blender. This shake is a very good source of protein for those looking to add more protein to their diet or for after workout to replenish the muscles. You can either use milk or water for this process. Most people prefer using fresh milk. After that, blend until smooth and fluffy. Here you have it guys. You can check out the links to our other videos in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Give this video a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.